Hey guys, welcome back to the pink envelope. I am so excited to unbox Sugarfina with you. Sugarfina is not a subscription box, but it is a luxury candy store that ships their candy. What's so funny is I just unboxed Candy Club with you guys, and that was so much fun. So it was super exciting to see the more adult version of that box come in the mail. Sugarfina has a beautiful online store with tons of options. They have a shop candy, shop gifts, party shop, fully custom, and candy drop. I want to talk about their gifts and candy drop, but let me show you the inside of this. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh. So I was wondering, where did this come from? And I figured it out. The Deco Created team sent me this as a thank you gift. Is that not the greatest? I am still so excited. If you don't know what Deco Created is, check out the videos here. I have unboxed 5 or maybe 6, over a year worth of their home decor subscription box, and it is amazing, amazing. So check that out up there. So they sent me the Design Your Own 8-piece Candy Bento Box. So with these guys, you have a few options. We're gonna talk about the gifts, which is the Candy Bento Box like you see here, but they also have Candy Drop. The only difference is with the Candy Bento Box, you get to go in and choose the type of bento. 3 pieces up to 20 pieces, and you choose what goes inside that box. This is the navy blue 8-piece set, I believe, which has a $68 value to kind of give you a price point. But the Candy Drop is very, very similar to this, except you don't have to do anything. You go in, say, I want to send a Candy Drop, you can do it from your phone, enter their address, ship, and done. So it's just a less cumbersome way to do this exact same box. Both of them are amazing. I have no idea what's inside here. I've not peeked past looking inside to figure out where this box came from. So, oh, it looks like they got shaken out here. I've been like tossing this box all over. There we go. Isn't that so cute? It looks like there are, but first, rosé, tequila grapefruit, Cuba Libre, Pina Colada Bears, birthday cake caramels, maple bourbon caramels, and champagne bears and robin's egg caramels. These sound so good. Okay, before we get into tasting them, I want to tell you this. They have a really cool rewards program. So when you sign up and you send these gifts and you order for yourself, you earn rewards. They also have sweet offers, which is different items they're promoting based on holidays. And then I have 10% off to give you. So use the link below to get 10%. It's so funny, it says shelf life. Shelf life lasts 1 to 4 months. 4 months? I can guarantee you this is barely gonna make it 1 month. Who lets candy sit around for 4 months? But what is really, really good is, a few of you, if you've hung around here, know that I am fructose intolerant, so I cannot do anything with high fructose corn syrup. And so I immediately hopped on to check out how do the ingredients work in their candies. And what is super cool, they have the dietary information, the ingredients, and the nutritional facts on all of their candies listed online. So you can just go pull this candy and you will be able to see everything about the candy prior to ordering it. But they also have it on here. So if you gift it and have somebody who may have dietary restrictions, they can read before they eat, which is really big for people like us. But they have fat-free options, all natural, non-GMO. They have no artificial color and no artificial flavor, gluten-free, vegetarian, kosher, and vegan options. That is crazy, you guys. Okay, let's try some. I'm really, really excited. So, okay. Oh my gosh, they're packed in here. You're definitely getting your dollar's worth. And they're little roses. They're super cute. They smell so good. But first, rosé. Made with rosé wine. It tastes just like rosé. Oh my gosh, it's just so good. It does say non-alcoholic on the side. Glucose syrup, sugar, gelatin, and rosé wine from Provence. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to let my husband try that. All right, let's do tequila grapefruit sours next. Yeah, this one's packed in too, man. They squeeze these puppies in. It smells really, really good. This is really good. It's not sour at all. Infused with Casamigos Reposado Tequila, these tart, oh, that's a good way of putting it, grapefruit slices are a sweet sip of Jalisco's finest. Oh my gosh. That is so good. Let's do maple bourbon. Caramel, caramel. I really think I interchange them. Like, I don't think I stick with one or the other. I think it kind of depends on my mood. Smell like chocolate. Okay, I love this. I'm not a big chocolate fan. And the bourbon edge, I'm not a big caramel fan, but the bourbon edge makes it good. And as you see, it's not real gummy. Like, I'm not like smacking through it. That was really, really smooth. Made with top shelf bourbon. That was really smooth. I was worried about eating that. Okay, let's do birthday cake. Last one, y'all, last one. This is my job. What if they taste gross? How would you know? Those are birthday cake. This is my favorite so far. Oh my gosh, that's so good. Make every day your birthday with these celebratory birthday cake caramels rolled in tiny rainbow sprinkles. All right, so there you have it. This is the 8-piece Candy Bento Box from Sugarfina, $68 value, but I have a 10% off coupon I'll give you, and you need to make sure you sign up for their rewards program so you get more back. Decorated, thank you. This is such an amazing and awesome surprise to get in the mail. And now I know what Sugarfina is, and so do y'all. So there we go, it all rounds out. I hope that you guys have such an amazing day. Make sure you subscribe below, leave a comment if you can. It makes me feel so happy to see you guys interacting. And we have more subscription boxes and just yummy boxes coming your way soon. We'll see you guys later. Bye, y'all.